Hello, welcome to this challenge to strengthen the chakras with the Yuen Method. I'm Rocio Santibanez, an instructor of the Yuen Method, and I would be really grateful if you could share this strengthening exercise if it helps you and you like it, so that it can reach as many people as possible. Before we get started, let's take a look at what chakras are. They are energy points or centers in the body that, when in balance, amplify vital energy. They also ensure greater wellness, physically, mentally, spiritually, psychologically, and so on. For centuries, the 7 chakras have been used as a resource in energy medicine. They are connected to the body's endocrine system and produce energy vortexes. When the chakras are healthy, they contribute energetic information through which the body system creates a global information system that affects your well-being. So let's separate your mind, your body, and your spirit. Let's erase their weaknesses, balance them to be centered, stable, and reinforce them 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to separate your mind and spirit. We are going to remove the accumulated effect of your mind, not finding why things don't work out for you, what you lack, what you haven't done, what you haven't seen, etc. We're going to stop this foolishness of the mind constantly seeking weaknesses. We are going to direct your mind and spirit to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, dark energy, black and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We're going to strengthen these energetic channels to optimally connect with your mental aspect, physical, emotional, and spiritual in both directions and in all possible combinations, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the 7 main chakras and the 88 or so secondary chakras. We're going to make them strong so they're open at an optimal level, so they are clean and rotating properly. Strong so that they are centered, balanced, and stable, without filters, without outside influences, and without hidden soul parts. We strengthen your internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries and vertices at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. And we're going to erase all the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. We're going to make the 7 major chakras and the 88 or so secondary chakras strong to receive the energy, strong to transform the energy, strong to absorb the energy, to regulate and distribute the energy flow in the body. We are going to strengthen them to balance the energy in the body. And we do this at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Let's strengthen these energetic channels for relationships. Optimally with each other, all in all their possible combinations at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the base chakra and integrate it into the perineum, connect it and integrate it also to the adrenal glands in both directions and in all its possible combinations from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, right from the inside out, outside to the other. 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the navel chakra and connect and integrate it to each sexual organ back and forth. We are going to strengthen the solar plexus chakra and integrate it into the pancreas as well, back and forth. We will strengthen the heart chakra and integrate it into the thymus gland back and forth. We strengthen the throat chakra and integrate it into the thyroid back and forth. We strengthen the chakra between the eyebrows or the third eye and integrate it into the hypothalamus and pituitary gland back and forth. And we're going to strengthen the crown chakra and integrate it into the epiphysis and the pineal gland back and forth. We do this from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward, forward back, at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. And we're going to erase all the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's remove all the misinformation, the bad perception and misinterpretation that comes from culture, religion, education, from experts, ancestors, the collective, family, and yourself about the chakras. We're also going to remove all the energy of rejection, disbelief, and resistance towards these energy centers. We're also going to remove all the accumulated effect and memories of having weak chakras in this and other lifetimes that were unbalanced, dirty, closed, and immobile. We're going to remove all the damage and devastation that this left in its wake in your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and financial areas. We're going to erase all of this with remains, traces, remnants, and printouts at 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me how you feel, the same or different. I recommend that you do this strengthening quite often until your chakras are routinely clean, spinning properly, and always strong. See you at the next session. Thank you.